Hello, people. This is Carla from the Learn English by Speaking English show, and I am here to talk to you about how to use Zoom as your platform for your English show. As I said before, it's one of my favorite programs. I use it for everything. Almost. I do use StreamYard too. When using Zoom, first of all, you need to go and get an account. And as I said earlier, you can get a free account and post your show later, or you can buy an account for it to work. I would suggest, you make that decision of what is best for you. When you first open Zoom and you have your account, what I suggest you do is set it up, make sure that your mic is working, make sure your video is working. And when you first sign in, it will ask you, test your video, test your mic, and you'll know if it's working. If you need to make adjustments, you'll know those adjustments before you start. Then, after you have done that, you need to set up your classroom. How do you do that? I use the webinar feature in Zoom, and I highly recommend it. In using the webinar, you first open up your Zoom and you go to a page. There is a little icon saying more. You click on more and you open it up and you say post to Facebook, stream to YouTube, and you click on post to Facebook. Post to Facebook opens up, and then you need to decide what page or what group you want to initially take your broadcast to. I initially would take it to the Speak English Foundation page. That page will, you click on that, and that page opens up. When it opens up, then you are almost ready to go live. You write in your description, you write in your title, and you click on go live, and you go live. You'll need to go back to your Facebook page or the page that you're using, and then share it out to your audience. I do that every day. I share it out to groups. I also share it out to my own pages. I also go back to the chat using my phone, and I put in the chat how to come to the show. And I explain on the show multiple times how to do the show. And that's how you do it. It's simple, and anyone can do it. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. And we'll go on to lesson 4, how to use StreamYard.